Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
Hello, Mobile Legends players. In this video, I will explain how to get Vanguard coins in Mobile Legends. Bang bang. These unique coins are a special currency available only on the game's advanced server. They offer an exciting opportunity to experience new heroes and features early. While your progress on the advanced server does not transfer, the Vanguard coins you earn can be exchanged for valuable diamonds on your main game account. It's a fantastic way to get ahead and boost your in-game resources. Earning Vanguard coins is straightforward, primarily by actively playing on the advanced server. You can collect 10 coins just by logging in daily. Additionally, completing a few matches in Classic, Rank, or Brawl modes will reward you with 15, 20, or 25 coins respectively. Winning up to 2 matches further boosts your earnings, providing another 20 and 25 coins. Consistent play and completing these simple tasks are key to accumulating a good amount of Vanguard coins. To maximize your Vanguard coin gains, make sure to participate in all advanced server events, such as the Vanguard Benefit and Vanguard Coin Supply events. These often provide substantial rewards. Don't forget the weekly tasks either. Logging in for 2, 4, or 6 days can net you up to 70 coins. Playing 10, 15, 20, or 25 matches weekly can also award up to 100 more coins. Consistently completing these objectives will ensure you gather a significant number of coins. Once you've accumulated a good amount of Vanguard coins, their primary use is exchanging them for diamonds. Typically, 50 Vanguard coins can be converted into diamonds, which are then transferred to your main Mobile Legends account. These diamonds are incredibly versatile, allowing you to purchase new heroes, unlock exclusive skins, or participate in exciting in-game events. It's a fantastic way to leverage your time on the advanced server to enhance your main game experience.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.